Honestly, like, I'm proud of myself. Like, I don't even do makeup, but I did this though. I would close up, but I don't want y'all to see these terrible lashes. So hi everyone, my name is Lauren, and today I will be showing you how I got this eye look. Last week I showed you how I got this hair, and today I am showing you how I complete this look with this makeup look. Please don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to your friends, and let's just get right started. When she was doing this, hold on, let me zoom in. Okay. She like redid her eyes so many times. That's gonna be me. But what I also liked about watching her is that she has hooded eyes just like me, so we'll see what this is looking like. Alright, so now I'm gonna set this with powder. I open up this powder, I always make a mess. I'm gonna use these Juvia's palette. I have like a couple. Yeah, I have a few. So when she started out, like the lighter color was on the inside and then it got darker. So I don't know, I'm not gonna use the same colors as her. Oh, okay, so what I might do is have pink. So I don't want to use this pink, I have a different pink. So I want to use this blue on the outside, and then I'll use this purple on the inside. No, I'll use the pink on the inside, then it goes to purple, then it goes to blue. Alright, so I'm gonna use, I have like all these tiny brushes. So I have this brush, but I'm gonna use this on the outside. I think that'll be better for like, guys, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Alright, so this is what I need. Wait. And I'm gonna use this lemonade palette. That's where I'm gonna get the pink from. So I'm gonna take this brush. I think I should spray it. So I'm gonna take this little brush. I think maybe I should spray it.
Lord, baby, there you all over the place, baby.
Alright. So So I want to go like above my crease because I don't want it to, since I have hooded eyes, like I want to go like above. So I'm gonna just follow the shape of my eyebrow maybe. Yeah, I'll just do a little. Oh shit, that's a lot more than that's, wow. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go to the next color, which is purple. I'm so scared. I'm trying to think, should I use this brush? I'm gonna use the same brush and go into the purple. I feel like you can't like I can see it, but you guys can't really see it. All right, now I'm gonna go into the blue. All right, and I'm gonna just build it from here because this, I don't know, on camera it don't look that good, but in person it doesn't look that bad. Take a bigger brush. Where's that brush at? This brush. It's a little bigger. And go in with this pinky pink, but I'm gonna spray it. Kind of scared because the tip is blue. nothing's happening. Okay. I'm gonna go back into this blue. I'm gonna use a different brush. It already has blue on it. So I'm just gonna go into that and
Okay.
oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna just keep going because I feel like I can just fix it with concealer. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. It looks so bad. Okay. So now I gotta do the pink. I'm gonna just do this side and see, and then I'm gonna just try to match them. So I don't know. I don't know, I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie, but my eyes aren't even. Like, they're supposed to be like cousins or sisters, but they're like just like best friends, like but this is what we got so far. I want to blend it more though. All right, so this is what we're working with. I just want to blend it out now because this blue is just not like, I like this side, but this side is just not. Like, it's just not really cooperating with this one. Flat brush. Alright, so I'm gonna use that. That's a little better. Alright, that's a little bit better. Alright, this is just gonna have to be it because I can't keep on doing this. So she also used, because I was thinking if I should take my concealer and then do the line, but I found this white like eyeliner and I'm like, should I just use that?
Bitch, I can't see.
No, that's not what we're doing. So I guess I'm gonna just use concealer. So I'm gonna take, I kind of just want to leave it like this though. No. So I'm gonna take this concealer, I'm gonna put it in the middle. Okay. Alright, I think something is coming together. So now I'm gonna take that flat brush and, no, matter of fact, no, I'm gonna take this other little brush. So this is my best friend for this look. And I'm gonna go back in with all the colors like around just to bring them back out. This is like what we're working with. And I'm really not mad at it. I'm trying to think if I'm gonna use this white. Yeah, it's not really working. Alright, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then BRB. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup. Now I'm gonna put on a little lip. And then I'm gonna just put this NYX gloss on top. Oh, and lashes. How I forgot about lashes. I think I'm gonna do liner though before I put on the lashes. Yo, lashes dead take me like 30 minutes, so I'll be back when they're on. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm super impressed with myself because, like I said, like I don't really do makeup. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know how you think I did down below in the comments. Also share this video to your friends and don't forget to like this video. But thank you guys for watching and I cannot